Hello, Cornerstone Cowboys. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in the Houston and surrounding areas. And what I went ahead and did was an entire audit on your business's online presence. I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people into actual paying customers. Basically, we want your website to not just be a storefront, but instead be a constant lead generator so that you don't have to depend on someone else to find you new business like Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yelp, or Google Ads, but instead your website is already bringing people in through the door or they're calling you directly. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business to the door. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We've got your website, cornerstonecowboys.com. Have a few different pages here. You have a little bit of video, you have some pictures, a little bit of words here. Got an about page, got services, do roofing, renovation, so letting them know what you do. You got more services that you do. I generally work with more concrete companies, but I've worked with foundation repair, driveway, pavers, roofers, fencers, tree service people, you name it. We go back to the home page. It's not a bad looking site. It's got very good bones to it. One thing I see is that you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people searching for concrete work or construction work done on your area are looking for. Google loves content. And what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's websites. We also want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into the Google search bar looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have in our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. You can use a paid tool like that, but I highly recommend reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. And remember, I'm here to help you, to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. Currently for cornerstonecowboys.com, and we'll go into some competitors, keywords, and backlinks later. Your keywords, you have 7 on your website. Some of those keywords are from Angie's List, best house interiors, free cornerstone templates. So you have keywords. The traffic for that though, an estimation of the monthly visits to your website from these keywords is not happening, unfortunately, but we can fix that. Now let's take a look at another thing that Google likes to look at. Is called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust to your website by seeing other websites directing traffic to your website. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most weighted and trusted backlinks wins. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and to local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have and how many your competitors have. We'll go over the competitors in the future. You currently have 95 backlinks, which is great, and that has a trust of about 2 right now, which is also good. Anything better than 0 is good. Backlinks includes all of these here. Callmetreba.com. All of the same ones. Local Yellow Pages Search.com, 24 on the call roofers.com. They're all pointing to your website, which is great. From here, we're going to go over what you have going on. We have 7 keywords once again. We have 95 backlinks. And what this is doing is currently not bringing you any traffic into your website, cornerstonecowboys.com. The goal is for you to get a lot of traffic right here because this is working for you and this is working for you. And this is so trusted that these scores are higher as well. This UR score, or this URL trusted score, says that you've gained some trust with Google so far. Let's also take a look at your Google business profile, which is basically a snapshot of what your business is all about. And it can bring you a lot of leads as well if it's done right. So when I searched Cornerstone Cowboys, this popped up, Cornerstone Cowboys Construction. This is your Google business profile. It also is called GMB or Google My Business. This is the old term. Has your name, phone number, address on there. Has a few pictures on there as well of things that you've done. Has a few reviews. There's quite a few things we could do to this Google business profile in order for us to optimize this for you to get more leads per month. Now we're going to go over citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in a map pack when people are searching for a service, which is extremely important for local businesses since this can generate huge amounts of revenue. Showing you a map pack here. When I search for concrete contractors in Houston on Google, you see a few ads that people are paying for Google to put up there. And then you see this map with a few pins. After this one ad, there are 3 to 4 names that are right by this map. We call that a map pack. And they are doing something every month to make sure that their name comes up top. After this map, you see there's some more names here. Organic traffic is what it's called, or organic search. HoustonConcrete.com is what I was showing you up here. We will go over that in just a moment. Then you see other businesses like AB Concrete, so forth and so on, that are coming up on the first page of Google. This map pack is where 30% of your business should be coming from, and under that, the organic search or organic traffic should be about 70% of where your business is coming from. Other citations also include directories like Yelp and Better Business Bureau and hundreds of others you might have heard of. So Yelp, if I was to go to Concrete Contractor in Houston, you would see these different names where they're located as well. Better Business Bureau, this person is paying to be on top as well, but on the bbb.org, you'll see that they have their name, phone number, and address listed here for all these companies for Concrete Contractor in Houston, Texas. Social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram are great also. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. Now we're going to switch gears here and look at your competitors. I know we've already talked about keywords for your business as well as backlinks for your business. If I go to levelconcrete.com as one of your competitors, put their name into the tool, you see that they have 1,200 keywords and 220 backlinks. 220 backlinks here means there's 220 different places or different ways that this levelconcrete.com is being pointed to and pointed from. These backlinks have quite a bit of trust with Google as well. So that's also working in their favor. 1,200 keywords. These people on levelconcrete.com have 1,200 words that are being searched consistently each month to where they get quite a bit of traffic. Some of those keywords are Houston Concrete Patio, Concrete Crawl Space, Level Concrete Sidewalk, Sidewalk Slab, Concrete Raising, so forth and so on. And it brings them these many visits, 4 visits a month, 5 visits a month for Houston Concrete Patio. Leveling Concrete Driveway gets 5 visits a month on their website. If I was to go to HoustonConcrete.com or Bill Houston Concrete Construction, putting their name into the tool, HoustonConcrete.com, you see they have 247 backlinks or 247 places that are pointing to HoustonConcrete.com. And then the keywords, they have 293 keywords. So not as much keywords as the level concrete guy, the other competitor, but they're doing something right. And we'll come back to that in a second. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. And just a reminder, Ahrefs, this tool that I'm showing you, is just a tool. So these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real numbers from Google are actually almost always much higher. So leveledconcrete.com, I told you they had 1,200 keywords, 220 backlinks per month. This is how many on average visits they have per month to their website. So levelconcrete.com has about 1,000 visits to their website per month on average. HoustonConcrete.com, 1,700 visits per month onto their website. They have 293 keywords. Once again, that's less than the other competitor. They have 247 backlinks. That's a little more than the last competitor as well, but they have a lot more traffic. And they don't have to pay anybody in order for them to be raised up on Google. So 1,700 visits on their website per month on average. By generating this kind of traffic through their website and Google Business Profile, let's say the conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just 10%. 10% of 1,700 is 170. And if they close business deals around 50% of those 170 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, HoustonConcrete.com is probably closing somewhere around 75 to 85 jobs per month, just from their online presence alone. Not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 75 to 85 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265 and my email is ajms4u@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps and have a great rest of your day.